car vacuum cleaners quickly remove dust, crumbs, pet hair, and debris, keeping your vehicle's interior clean, fresh, and comfortable. Today's video is about top 5 best car vacuum cleaners that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Oxylum Car Vacuum Handheld Portable Cordless. The Oxylum Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a versatile 4-in-1 cleaning tool that combines vacuuming, blowing, inflating, and pumping in one compact device. With up to 14,000 pascals of suction power in 2 suction modes, it can easily handle dust, sand, debris, pet hair, and dirt in cars, sofas, carpets, keyboards, and hard-to-reach areas. Its lightweight 461G cordless design makes it convenient for home cleaning, road trips, camping, and everyday use. The included brush, crevice nozzle, and pet brush provide flexible cleaning options, while the washable HEPA filters help maintain performance. A 160 ml dust cup is easy to empty without touching the collected dirt. The rechargeable battery offers extended runtime on low power and supports fast charging. Beyond cleaning, it can inflate items like yoga balls and swimming rings in vacuum storage bags to save space. Overall, it's a practical, portable, and multifunctional choice for home and car cleaning. Now our second product is Mr. Ego Car Vacuum Portable Cordless. The Mr.Ego handheld vacuum is a compact yet powerful cleaning tool designed for cars, homes, and outdoor use. Powered by a high-performance 156,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor, it delivers up to 26,000 pascals of suction to tackle stubborn dust, food crumbs, pet hair, and debris in tight spaces. The built-in green LED light is a standout feature, making hidden dirt in dark corners, seat gaps, and floor mats much easier to spot. Its 4-in-1 design combines vacuuming, blowing, inflating, and deflating, making it useful beyond everyday cleaning. Multiple accessories, including a crevice nozzle, brush, extended suction head, and dual-purpose air nozzle, provide excellent versatility. Weighing just 1 pound, it's easy to carry and store in a car, RV, or desk drawer. With Type-C fast charging, a roughly 3-hour full charge, and 2 suction modes offering up to 40 minutes of runtime, the Mr.Ego is a convenient and versatile choice for quick, thorough cleaning. Our third product is Fantic Upgraded Cordless Car Vacuum. This compact cordless car vacuum is designed for detailed cleaning rather than large areas, making it ideal for car interiors, office desks, computer keyboards, and tight spaces. Its 90W brushless motor delivers up to 13 kilopascals of suction power with 2 adjustable modes, helping remove dust, crumbs, pet hair, and debris from hard-to-reach areas. Powered by a 2,600 mAh 3-cell battery, it provides around 17 minutes of runtime on high mode and up to 30 minutes on low mode. At just 1.07 pounds, its slim and ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and easy to store in your vehicle. The vacuum comes with 9 useful attachments, including a pet brush, hose, and multi-surface brush, providing flexibility for different cleaning tasks. One of the most convenient features is the one-button dust disposal system with a safety lock, allowing you to empty the dust cup without touching the dirt. Overall, it's a lightweight, versatile choice for quick and precise cleaning. Now number 4, Saker Handheld Car Vacuum Portable Cordless. The Saker Portable Car Vacuum is a versatile 3-in-1 cleaning tool that combines vacuuming, blowing, and air pumping in a compact design. Its upgraded brushless motor delivers up to 17,000 pascals of suction with 3 adjustable speeds, making it suitable for dust, crumbs, pet hair, sand, and stubborn debris. Weighing only 380 g, the cordless vacuum is lightweight and easy to operate with one hand. Its foldable and rotatable design makes it convenient for cleaning tight spaces and storing in a car, drawer, or travel bag. The built-in 2,500 mAh batteries and Type-C charging provide convenient cordless operation. A major highlight is the extensive accessory set, offering tools for cleaning keyboards, car seats, sofas, crevices, and other hard-to-reach areas, while the air pump attachments add extra versatility. The washable HEPA and reusable stainless steel filters also make maintenance simple. Regular filter cleaning and complete drying are important for maintaining suction performance. Overall, the Saker is a lightweight and practical choice for detailed car and household cleaning. And our last choice is Aravine Car Vacuum Portable Cordless. This high-power handheld car vacuum is a compact 7-in-1 cleaning tool designed for cars, homes, offices, and outdoor use. Its 80,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor delivers up to 20,000 pascals of suction, making it effective for removing dust, crumbs, pet hair, sand, and debris from seats, keyboards, desks, and tight spaces. It also works as an air duster, blower, and inflator with multiple attachments. The built-in 7,500 mAh battery provides up to 45 minutes of runtime in eco mode and about 14 minutes on max mode. Type-C charging makes it convenient to recharge from a car charger, laptop, power bank, or wall adapter. A dual HEPA filtration system helps capture fine dust, while the integrated LED light makes hidden dirt easier to spot. Weighing only 0.9 pounds, this cordless vacuum is easy to handle and store in a glove box or center console. Overall, it's a versatile and portable option for detailed cleaning and everyday use. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.